In today's video, I've discovered a brand new free software that pays well and pays quickly. In truth, they pay out roughly $5 on a regular basis and the profit potential is endless. Now, you're in luck because now that you've clicked on this video, you'll learn how to use it properly and get paid from anywhere in the world. This will be an easy way to make money online in 2021. I'll show you how to leverage the best and most effective platforms to make money quickly. Hit that red subscribe button and switch on notifications and you'll be notified anytime I submit a new video. With that said, let's get right into the tutorial. Now, before we get started with the step-by-step tutorial, I'd like to show you that this app has paid off a lot of their users. As you can see, this is a 9-figure amount and they paid out in actual cash earnings to their customers all over the world. This is how the app works in general. First, download the free software. Second, we'll find various offers, and third, you'll be paid. It's pretty simple and the apps are free, but there's one simple mistake that a lot of people make, and as a result they can't make it $2 every 10 seconds over and over again because you only need to use one feature of this app to make this work. So stay tuned to find out exactly how to set it up properly and what that feature is. Alright, this is the app that you'll be using. It's a free app from which you'll be earning money. Ibotta is the name of this app. Now, don't rush to the app to try to make money on your own because it won't work that way. I'll show you how to set it up on complete autopilot, so stay tuned for that. Now, Ibotta is a cashback app, and as you can see, you can get cashback on groceries and a variety of other items, but don't worry, you don't have to do that, and that is not how you'll make money with Ibotta. Obviously, that is a good method to save money or make some extra money, but it won't be our primary source of income. Anyway, I want to show you that they've got you covered with cashback on common purchases like grocery, clothing, travel, and internet shopping. With Ibotta, you can earn up to $20 in welcome bonuses by completing your welcome bonuses from a computer or your phone. This can also be done with just your smartphone, which is fantastic of course. If you don't want to use your phone, you can add the Google Chrome extension to your laptop or PC, which works just as well. You simply download Ibotta and search for offers that you want to get cashback on, and you'll get an actual cashback, which is very great, but that's not what we'll be focusing on because it's not gonna make you $2 every 10 seconds. Anyway, you can see that they're collaborating with big names like Expedia, Kroger, and Walmart. This is a huge corporation to work for, which is why they're paying us so well. So, if you're shopping at Walmart, you can now use Ibotta to save a lot of money and earn a lot of cashback on every purchase you make, but I believe it's only for the United States or top-tier countries, so that's why we're not gonna be focusing on that. They also have catchphrases like "we've got your back" or "we've got your cash back." As you can see, people are saving a lot of money with this free software and free extension. As you can see, on every purchase, you can get a cashback, which can be really wonderful. It is a great method to save money on various offerings while also receiving unique offers if you use it. Take a look at these stats as well. Their users have saved over $1 billion, and as you can see below, Ibotta savers are raking in the cash. $1 billion payback was handed out to savers today to customers who use Ibotta to save money and get cashback, which is absurd. You can also read testimonials from people all over the world who have used Ibotta to save money. So, without using the cashback feature, how do we plan on making $2 every 10 seconds? How are we gonna monetize this website? Well, if you're using a phone, all you have to do is go to Ibotta and download the app for free. If you don't have access to a phone, go to ibotta.com. Go all the way down to the bottom of the page and select Affiliate right underneath the Work section. So, if you become a referral for a bun, you may make a lot of money. You can also make extra money as an Ibotta affiliate partner, and you will be paid $2 for each person that you refer. So every individual that you refer to this website where they can get a $20 welcome bonus, you'll get paid $2 for every person that signs up. For 10 people, that's $20. For 100, that's $200. For 1,000, it's $2,000, and so on with no limits. If you scroll down a little bit, you can see the real cash earnings their users have made with their affiliate or partner program, which total over $1 billion. Now, if you're wondering how you'll be paid, you can see that you'll be paid directly through their platform. $2 for each user referred directly from your website or social channels. Don't worry, you don't need a website for this, and you don't even need a social media following. You can do it with 0 Instagram followers, 0 YouTube subscribers, and 0 Facebook likes. It makes no difference since I'm gonna show you how to put everything on autopilot for free. If you guys are enjoying this video, please like and share it with your friends. Hit the red subscribe button and leave a comment down below. Okay, so let's go to their affiliate page and click on Become an Affiliate right here, which will send you to this page. If you suggest someone to Ibotta using your referral link, you may observe if they just get the extension downloads. As a result, customers simply download an extension to their computer or laptop and you'll get compensated $2 for each registration. So you'll get $2 for every Ibotta iOS installation through your referral link. So it's a no-brainer to get someone to sign up for this free software that can save them a lot of money. Referring them to Ibotta is a lot easier than forcing them to buy something through your affiliate link or join up for some compensated offer or whatever. They gain a lot from this app and can save them a lot of money. Plus, it's completely free to sign up, so why not? It is simple to obtain a large number of registrations. First, you'll need to scroll down a little bit and finish the application. You can do so by entering your first and last names in this box, as well as a valid email address. Make sure you're using a legitimate email address so you can sign in and access your emails, which is very crucial, and then establish a username for your account, a password, and some personal information. Also, don't worry, you don't need a company for this. You can simply submit your name as a person. Also, you can just paste in the link to the platform you'll be using to generate traffic on autopilot, which we'll discuss in a minute or two. I'll show you the platform I'll be using as a traffic source, so just copy that URL and paste it into this box, then select your nation. You don't have to reside in the United States. You can live anywhere in the world. You can simply download a free VPN like Proton VPN or NordVPN to your computer. Set your location to the United States and leave it there, and then enter your street address and all of your basic information about yourself. Scroll up a little bit to select how you want to be paid, and then submit your application. If your application is approved, you'll receive a special referral link that you can share with others once you submit it. Now, when someone clicks on it, they will be taken to a page where they can download it for free to save and earn money, and you'll be paid $2 for each registration. Let me show you the traffic source for your referral link. You can promote your link on any social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, YouTube, and so on, but I'll be using Trendry, a make money online forum. So you may go to Trendry.com and find a lot of people, millions of people, who are interested in earning money online while also saving money. So what you can do is provide some value or share your referral link with these people, and they will be grateful and will gladly sign up through your referral link and earn a few dollars because you're sending them to an absolutely free app that will save them money and potentially earn them money. It's free for them to sign up, so why not? As you can see, you have all of these forums and categories such as make money, paid service, affiliate programs, forex trading, review a product or website, buy and sell trade, and so on. Now, let's say I only want to focus on make money. So I'll open it up to show you how it looks, and as you can see here, these are all the threads that have been opened within this category, and if you register for free with Trendry by clicking this button right here, you will be able to create your own post within Trendry as well. You'll be able to start your own thread inside of the money-making forum, and all of the millions of people who use Trendry and are reading those posts will be able to see your post with your referral link on it, and they'll be able to click on it to sign up for free, and each person will earn you $2. It'll only take you less than 10 seconds to publish that into Trendry, and the more of them you publish, the more signups you'll get. Even if only one thread results in a $2 signup, that's still $2 for 10 seconds of work. All you have to do now is go to Trendry, copy-paste your call to action, and leave your referral link. It's as easy as that, and you can repeat this process in any number of different ways. Although this is the only one traffic source you may use, as I previously stated, you can share it with many Facebook groups regarding generating money, making money online, and saving money and coupons. There are millions of people who are interested in that. After all, who doesn't want to save money for free while also earning some money? You can leave your link in the description of that video as well, allowing all the viewers to sign up. Now, I'm not gonna do that because I'm only here to help you make money online, so there aren't gonna be links in the description, and this video isn't sponsored, but you can do it. You might also make a video on anything you've bought and explain how it works, as well as how you can help others save money, and then add your link in the description. So there are a variety of ways you can promote this for free and get a lot of people to sign up through your referral link. So each person earns you $2, and you could easily refer 1,000 people and earn at least a few $1,000s in commissions, and that's it. Alright, well that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it until the end of this video, just know that you'll start making money if you decided to step up. Don't let your emotions control you. Get up and start following whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you did make it to the end, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure to check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do, just like to my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, and like this video. If you want to see more money making videos, click on the next video as shown on the screen following this tutorial. Okay, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.